Viewers, very good evening. This news break could alter the public discourse in the state of Karnataka barely 48 hours before the first vote is cast. It is for this reason that we've chosen to minutely examine the facts, cross-check each one of them before breaking this story on India Front. It is only after due diligence that we are in a position to broadcast this story tonight. Now, viewers, under the Indian Poll Code section 123(3), no political party can solicit votes in the name of religion. But in Karnataka, this rule book has been completely thrown out of the window. The Congress party's candidates have been snapped, photographed, viewers, photographed with members of a political party with established anti-Hindu credentials. Here are the hard facts. Up front, two Congress candidates in two different constituencies snapped with anti-Hindu group PFI's political front SDPI members. Photographs of Congress candidates Prasad Abaya and Syed Azampir Khadri visiting SDPI offices in Dharwad district have been accessed by Times Now. You can see them on your channels, Evidence 1, Evidence 2, to the right and to the left of me. Both Congress candidates sought support from this anti-Hindu group's political arm, the SDPI. Now, the SDPI reciprocated the gesture by pledging unconditional support to secular Congress. It says because the Congress, in its own estimation, is a secular party, it will be supported by the SDPI. Now, I am not saying this, viewers. I am not saying this. I am going to quote the NIA report first. Before we go into these photographs, I want to draw the attention of my colleague to this excerpt from an NIA report, the National Investigative Agency, which is today investigating the PFI for terror-related activities, for money laundering, which the ED is doing, and most importantly, for spreading communal hate and tension. What does this report say? It says, under the heading Social Democratic Party of India, the SDPI, in order to gain acceptability and political bargaining power, the PFI formed the Social Democratic Party of India, or the SDPI, on July 29, 2009. Through the SDPI, the outfit is striving to broad-base its network throughout the country and to enter the political battle arena. It also says the idea is to bring Muslims under the umbrella and garner additional votes from backwards and Dalits. It goes on to say the launch of SDPI is a cover-up for PFI activities. And what are these activities? Especially the involvement of its cadre in law and order and communal incidents. Communal incidents. Now let's go back to the photographic evidence. This anti-Hindu poll pact is now easily witnessable because we have the photographic evidence. I want to go back to the photographs. What do we have here? And let me draw the attention of our viewers to what we are seeing. Muhammad Rafiq Lashkar, who is one of the members of the PFI, he is sharing a stage today with Azampir Khadri, a Congress candidate from Shigaon. Here is the picture in my hand. Let's stay with Shigaon first. That is Syed Azimpur Khadri, Shigaon Rafiq Lashkar, and they are sharing space with each other. Here it is. Let's focus on this. Focus the camera. Here is Rafiq Lashkar, SDPI District President, Azimpur Khadri, Congress. This is Shigaon. Here you can see the individuals seated next to each other. As I turn the page to bring you more photographic evidence, here we see they are both now conversing. And you can see the Congress candidate, Azimpur Khadri of the Congress, accompanied by the district president of the SDPI, Rafiq Lashkar. they are addressing a public rally together. Public rally with a group today that is dedicated, according to the NIA, to attacking Hindus and claiming their lives. I want to show you more. Here is the Congress candidate once again speaking in the company of this man, Rafiq Lashkar, SDPI district president, and you can see at one point the Congress candidate is addressing this gathering and this rally, and at another point this man, the SDPI district president, is addressing the rally. This is just the first photo, and it comes from Shigaon. The SDPI Congress sharing a stage, visiting each other's offices, signing up a poll pact. And we all know, under the law, under the RPA, we have a poll code violation in this process because today votes are being solicited in the name of religion. Let's look at photographic evidence too. Here, inside, viewers, inside the SDPI office is a Congress candidate on stage. There you can see in these photographs Prasad Abaya of the Congress Social Democratic Party of India, the Dharwad district office, it's all there, SDPI, the photographs of Mahatma Gandhi, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Tipu Sultan. All there on this backdrop. You see the Congress candidate addressing a group of individuals. Next to him is Rafiq Lashkar, SDPI district president of Hubli, Dharwad East. This is the name of the constituency. What more proof? What more proof is required? This is the audience listening to these individuals in rapt attention. Now you have a close-up. You have a close-up. Rafiq Lashkar, SDPI district president, Prasad Abaya, Congress, Dharwad district office. Here is the email ID, SDPI Hubli 60@gmail.com. All the other details, the phone number, etc., all here. This is foolproof evidence. Now I want to open this out to our reporters on the ground who have broken this very significant news story just 48 hours before the first vote is cast. Herman and Deepak are both with us. Congratulations. Times Now's team has been working very hard to establish how Rahul Gandhi has been misleading the nation. Before I come out to you, I want to go out to a soundbite that sums it all up. This duplicity, this fakery that is going on. Rahul Gandhi, I am going to play out from right today, making a commitment to you, the voter in Karnataka and the rest of the country, that he stands for a united India, that he doesn't believe in hate and the politics of hate. He doesn't promote enmity between communities, and he doesn't distinguish on the basis of identity. Let's play out this.
विचारधारा की लड़ाई है। एक तरफ नफरत, एक तरफ भाईचारा, एक तरफ समाज को बांटने का काम, दूसरी तरफ समाज को जोड़ने का काम। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आपको जोड़ने का काम किया है। प्यार से हम काम करते हैं, नफरत नहीं फैलाते हैं।
यही कांग्रेस पार्टी की विचारधारा है कि ये देश सबका है, प्रदेश सबके हैं, शहर सबके हैं, और हम सबको मिलकर प्यार से एक साथ आगे बढ़ना है, किसी को पीछे नहीं छोड़ना।
Now let me just simplify this for you. If for a moment the Bajrang Dal were to enter this contest and the BJP were to seek their support, I'm only quoting Bajrang Dal because it immediately evokes, you see, alarm bells in so-called secularists. If they were both to support each other in an election, all hell would break loose because all sorts of stories have been concocted. But the SDPI, no story needs to be concocted. There are factual details that exist on reports prepared by India's premier investigative agency, the Kerala Police, and even other investigative agencies at the state level. There are many Congress chief ministers, left chief ministers who have said that the SDPI, PFI are a front for a banned terror organization called SIMI. And yet, Rahul Gandhi, who speaks about love, affection, is going out there, allowing his candidates to stitch up local level alliances. Herman, tell us a little bit more about this photographic evidence. What are the circumstances? And is this existing across the state?
Well, Rahul, it is not just limited to Karnataka. I do remember a similar pattern had emerged just before the Gujarat elections, where in fact the PFI and its political arm, the SDPI, had also not just given logistical but financial support to Rahul Gandhi aide, Jignesh Mevani, who had ultimately won the elections. And after that, do remember the PFI as well as the SDPI, which is having some extreme links. One look at their website will tell you of the kind of hate that is propagated, that the Congress now decides to align with them. These two pictures that we've got from our sources clearly point out. One is a sitting Congress MLA. The second is a former Congress MLA who's recontesting once again. And they themselves have walked up to an SDPI office and have asked for their help, to which the SDPI has decided to agree them help. The root of it, what the SDPI on its part says, is that initially they decided to contest 50 constituencies in Karnataka. Now they've decided to do it to just 5 because they believe that it could break the Muslim vote bank. But for now, on one hand, the biggest question that goes out to the Congress is, on one hand, while Rahul Gandhi does, propagate about love and other such values, why did it decide to align with an agency that is under the scanner of the NIA for its extreme links, that has been also been banned in a state like Jharkhand already? And on the other hand, they are known for this hate speeches. Does the Congress on its part also share some similar ideology with the SDPI, which is the political arm of the PFI? One look at their website, their
they're an ideological fit. Why else would they be coming together, Herman? And therefore, Deepak, what's the rationale that underpins this hate alliance?
Well, Rahul, very interesting how this alliance has really worked out on and off. If you go by what the Congress has been saying, a couple of months ago, while we had the state, KPCC president go on to say that they are looking at a strategic alliance ahead of the elections, slowly it moved on to the Congress completely denying, any sort of alliance, and even went on to an extent of saying that they don't even need the support. Now you have openly Congress leaders welcoming support wherever they get it, and also it looks like the alliance is becoming more and more real as the elections approach. And as Herman was talking about the fact that initially the SDPI wanting to contest from about 50 seats in Karnataka, pulling it down to just about 3, that in fact shows a lot, isn't it? And also, while we spoke to several SDPI leaders in the last couple of weeks, they have clearly said that they will go out and back any particular party which is going to stand against the BJP. That is the primary motive. And they have also said if it is a Congress candidate there, they will be backing them. So now it's going to be bizarre if the Congress is going to say that they do not want this kind of support because they are getting it directly or indirectly.
Okay, now I want to go across to Anand. Anand, before I come out to you, I want to once again pull out more evidence which incriminates the Congress. This is a direct contradiction in contrast. Let me tell you. Let's focus on this document in front of me. Now, this is when Congress admitted PFI's murder taint. Yes, the Congress itself believes that these individuals, they've recognized, acknowledged that some of these PFI members are actually guilty or are accused in the cases of murders of very significant RSS BJP cadre. Here is the document, BJP alleged and hidden murder, the real truth. This is a document that has been put out by the Congress. What does it say here? It talks about Rudresh murder, and remarks organization, community affiliation, the accused belongs to PFI and SDPI. Clear acknowledgement. Once again, I am not saying this, the Congress is admitting to it. So if they are accused, why is the Congress doing business with the PFI, SDPI? Look at Rajesh Kotian. Rajesh Kotian, basically another person who was murdered, remarks, all belong to PFI, the accused. It's stated in this Congress document. I don't need to have to say this. The Congress knows that the PFI, the SDPI, which is the political wing of the PFI, which the NIA says is a convenient front, has also by extension blood on his hands. It's an organization that is banned in another state. Again, in the case of Charan Pujari, the accused, they say, all belong to the PFI. Once again, I'm not saying it. This is the Congress booklet that is saying it. Vishwanath, diligent worker of the RSS. One of the accused belongs to the PFI. This is the remarks here. Remarks, organization, community affiliation. Congress recognizes it. Remarks. The accused being PFI, some of the accused are absconding, efforts are being made to secure them. Congress is saying this. It's put it all out. So why is it doing business? Why is it doing business, Anand, with somebody or an organization that is being prosecuted, that is being charged with attacking Hindus, killing Hindus just because they are Hindus?
Rahul, this is the modus operandi of the Congress party. It does not matter to them what the SDPI does as long as it helps them consolidate the Muslim votes. And I'm laying it threadbare fact here in Karnataka. The messages that are going out from the Congress party is, we may not have done much for the Muslims, but the BJP is an anti-Muslim party. And if we have to take for the challenge, if there is somebody which can challenge the BJP at a national level, it is the Congress party. And the Congress party needs a consolidated Muslim vote. So they are leaning heavily on the SDPI cadre and PFI cadre who have set root in Karnataka, especially coastal Karnataka and South Karnataka, some of the regions. They are really very heavily relying upon the SDPI to help them consolidate the Muslim votes. And they are being absolutely brazen about it. It does not matter to them what the PFI does, what their cadre does, as long as it is hatred for RSS and RSS-backed organizations.
Okay.
This is the Congress's straightforward message.
So
they
consolidation.
are saying that the Muslims should not split their vote and the SDP and PFI should help them. Yes,
remember,
exactly.
the backdrop of all of this is also a very cynical move to divide the Hindu vote itself. Remember the creation, viewers, of a separate Lingayat identity. So you weaken the Hindus, consolidate the Muslim vote, and you'll win. You'll win. This is nothing but communal politics. Now, Nikunj, who is our internal security editor, I know what is going to be thrown back at me. People will say, oh, the PFI is not the same thing as the SDPI. Rahul Shivshankar, don't mix up. PFI might be being investigated by SDPI as a recognized EC, recognized political party, and it has all rights to tie up with whoever. Ban the SDPI. Until that doesn't happen, why are you taking such umbrage at this tie-up? How would you respond to that, Nikunj, with facts?
Well, Rahul, politically speaking, the discourse from the Congress party is always very dichotomous. It is when the Congress party is aligning or consolidating the Muslim vote and other elements in that umbrella, under that umbrella, it is always consolidation of secular votes. But when the BJP is trying to consolidate its own Hindu vote bank and other elements under that umbrella, that's always polarization of communities. And that's what Mr. Rahul Gandhi, the Congress president, has been very conveniently and very vociferously preaching against. Polarization of communities. Now, the fact on SDPI PFI, there are at least 2 murder cases, Rahul. One in Tamil Nadu, one in Kerala, one in Rudresh's murder case, another is Hindu Munani leader C. Sasikumar's murder case, where the cadres of SDPI, not the PFI, the cadres of SDPI along with the cadres of PFI have been named as accused, arrested, including the fact that their posters were put up by the SDPI as the political activists of SDPI very prominently at very prominent places in those cities. So the cadres of PFI, SDPI are actually interchangeable cadres whenever it suits those organizations. And as you read out from that NIA report, it is very clear that it's just a convenient political front.
Thank you, Nikunj, for enlightening us. Interchangeable. PFI, SDPI, interchangeable. One is a front. I'm not saying it. Once again, bear in mind, viewers, before you call into question my A, credibility, and B, objectivity. I am quoting straight out of this report. A report that has been prepared by the National Investigative Agency. A report that has been seconded by the Kerala police. And also, this matter has gone up to the state CID of Kerala, and in one particular state of this country, the SDPI, PFI are banned. They are banned. Now I want to throw this open. G.V. Narasimha Rao of the BJP is with us. Shadat Poonawalla, lawyer. Ashutosh Mishra, senior journalist, Sabah Naqvi, senior journalist, Dr. T.A. Rahmani, president of the Muslim Political Council of India, also a member, I believe, of the SDPI.
Yes, I'm the national executive member of
National executive member of the
SDPI.
SDPI.
And I don't belong to PFI.
You don't belong to PFI. So there's already a distinction that is being sought to be drawn. Fair enough. I am also joined by Mahmood Paracha, a lawyer. I want to begin by asking Sabah Naqvi the first question. If section 123(3) of RPA forbids soliciting votes in the name of religion, then why is Congress seeking of the PFI, SDPI, number one? And then why does Rahul Gandhi tell us that he stands against hate and the politics of hate? Tell me, Sabah Naqvi, explain.
So I would, first of all, I'm not going to speak on behalf of the Congress party, but let me ask you, Rahul, I traveled in Karnataka. I can tell you the name of the candidates who told me they were only seeking the votes of Hindus. Should I tell you, Mr. Ravi from Chikmagalur? They were inciting hatred against Muslims, many of them, and a former Karnataka Chief Minister of the BJP, who is one of the sober type of leaders, Mr. Jagdish Shettar, told me that many people in his party do it. He does not find it prudent to do it. So I wish that all parties would not ask for votes in the name of religion, would not demonize other communities, would not talk about changing the constitution of India.
But you've not answered the
bring in
question.
Tipu Sultan,
He says
Sufi saints.
seeking votes in the name of
No,
religion.
I am making a point here.
No,
I'm responding to it.
you're making a
let me
point
finish.
based
Let
on
me respond to
anecdotal
that.
evidence.
PFI,
No, Sabah Naqvi, let's
I'm
be
making a
first.
point.
Let's be a little
Now,
accurate.
the whole
No, please, 1 minute, 1 minute.
the
Sabah Naqvi, give me 30
structure-
seconds to
the structure
interject.
between PFI
I don't
and
want to
SDPI.
interject beyond the point.
No,
The BJP is
PFI
here,
is not
but you are making
religious
a
entity.
point. You're making a
PFI
point based on anecdotal evidence.
Yes.
Someone told you something. Here I have proof of an alliance. Here, it's
No,
in my
they
hand.
told me themselves.
Photographic
They are
evidence.
candidates.
This
They are
proof it.
The
candidates
proof
in
of
the
alliance.
election.
What
These are
alliance?
MLAs.
Because
What
these
proof?
people,
Who
sir,
has
have
single
admitted.
agenda?
For last
They have
20 minutes,
admitted.
whatever you are
Single
talking
agenda.
Has the
it's
SDPI,
quite
sir, not come
ridiculous.
out and said on
It's quite
public
ridiculous.
that we
What
support
alliance it
any
shows?
secular
I'm
party,
here from
including the
SDPI. I
Congress?
say there is no alliance.
Sir, आप क्या बात
I
कर
say
रहे
there is no
हैं?
alliance.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Then
How
why
can
are
you
they
say
sharing
there
a
is a
stage in a
proof?
political
What
rally?
proof can you show?
This is
What
an
is the
open,
press release?
If the party
This is an
coming
open.
to
No,
some
let
other
me
party office
let me
and
come
ask
in
for
here.
a-
Let the
for a
BJP
support,
come in.
is-
Let's listen to them.
Can you call it
This
an alliance?
is
Okay,
no,
let's listen to
this
them.
is-
What terminology you are using?
This is an open alliance, and this is a brazen denial. Number one. Number two, seeking votes in the name of religion is anyway banned under Representation of People's
It's
Act.
still it is
123
going on.
cross
We are not talking about PFI being a religious entity.
Vote at the name of
It's a terror.
You are
It's a
asking
terror
vote at the Ram
outfit.
Mandir for last 2 decades.
Let me read from.
Can,
no,
can you
Rahul.
deny this fact?
Please,
Can you deny?
let him read out.
No, let me
Let him
tell
confront you with
What?
hard
This-
facts.
when the
You have hard
UPA
facts.
Come on,
Confront me with hard
Yes,
facts,
come
sir.
on.
I have hard facts.
I want to give you the
Is it
hard
hard
fact.
fact?
Hard
I can
facts.
show thousands
Hard
of
fact
facts.
coming
Can I
your way.
cite pictures?
Listen to his
I
hard
can-
fact.
Okay. There
We've
is
had
a
anecdotal. No, we've had an
28
anecdotal
organization.
interjection. Sir,
Federation.
sir,
There is a federation
no,
of
you say, how can you say there is a poll
organization of
alliance?
Muslim community.
This is the
They have
proof.
announced
This
an
is the
open
office
support
of
to
the
the Congress
SDPI.
party.
A Congress candidate standing in the office of the SDPI.
So
Why
what?
is he going
So
there?
what?
Why is he going
it a
there?
banned
Is it a
organization?
restaurant?
Is it a
Is it a
political party?
restaurant?
It's a registered political party.
I'll give you two more proofs.
This is
Two more
A
proofs are
registered
available.
political party, sir, with blood on its hands.
This is a coalition
Well, maybe,
era.
sir,
I'll tell you what
it's
is
not a
the
problem
center
for you.
government is
What are the
running
charges
with an
against
NDA?
What are the charges? Let's
Political
No, no.
parties.
Listen.
No, please respond to this. It's not purely it's not a religious outfit. It's a terror outfit. Let me tell you, police in Kerala.
Then what-
when the LDF
even
was
if
in
for
power,
1 minute.
can you respond
you
to the
have read
facts?
the whole NIA report.
Have the courage
You
to
can
listen.
put the
Respond.
scrutiny.
Please
Judicial
have the
scrutiny.
courage to really listen.
You have already read it
Mr.
out.
Rahmani,
You have already
please
read
have
it out
the
for
courage
20
to
minutes.
listen.
Why don't you let
20
him
whole
respond,
minutes you have
sir?
read it out
He
the
has a
NIA
right to respond. Do you want to
report.
muzzle him?
Which is
Shall
very
I
much
give you a gag?
subject
You can
to
put
the
it into his
judicial
throat.
scrutiny.
Will you allow
Okay.
him to speak?
This is
reading what you have read.
the UPA government at the center. and
UPA
the
government.
LDF government in the state. Police probing PFI's links with LET, Al Qaeda, Hizbul Mujahideen, the world's most dreaded terrorist organizations have had links with this
Date the
the
report.
PFI.
Date the report.
No, this is 2010.
What time?
You were in
2010.
power. And you know this is a terror outfit.
It's 8-year-old
having links
report.
with terror
Then what had
organizations.
happened in last
And
8
how
years?
can you
What had happened in last 8
you
years?
seek support from an
Even for
outfit
last
like
4
this?
years, you are in power and you are
कांग्रेस का
having this report.
हाथ आतंकियों के
This 8-year-old
साथ.
report you are
I
having
think
in
it's
your
very
hands.
clear. Congress,
what you did?
Congress is
What
hand
action
in
you have
glove.
taken?
Congress is hand in
could you
glove
find
with terror
anything to
outfits,
take action?
and you are
Anything
using
to
the
take?
PFI and the
your party
SDPI
president in
overground
Karnataka is saying
SDPI.
that
Okay.
for your
we will
political
ban your
benefit.
I want to draw our viewers on the point you are making, Dr. Rahmani. I will produce evidence now. Listen to me. I will produce evidence. Listen to me, sir. I anticipated these questions from you and these responses. So we are going to pull out a graphic, and I am quoting now out of various reports. This is Congress's anti-Hindu poll pact. Has Congress forgotten this? Let's pull it out. Let's put this graphic out. Charge 1, not by me. The Kerala police report. What does this organization do? Forced conversions of Hindu girls. There it is. There it is. Charge 1. Kerala. Sir, let me finish. I want to enlighten the viewer. It's up to them. This is a very important, this is a very important debate, sir. In 48 hours, they will have to vote and they will have to make up their minds on who they are supporting. Don't try to derail me. Don't try to muzzle me. I have a responsibility to the truth and the hard fact, and I'm putting it out. What is the NIA report saying? Charge 2. Let's go through. Murders of Hindus to terrorize a community. Let's look at charge 3. Kerala police report. Arms terror training to youth. These organizations are involved in that.
And then Kerala,
Listen to this
Kerala
NIA
DGP
report.
Said,
Sir,
Kerala
please
DGP
let me
said,
finish.
Kerala
Do not
DGP said
railroad
that we
me,
are
sir.
not
Do
planning
not
to
block
ban
me
this
from
organization.
telling the viewers the
It is on
facts,
record.
because they need to know what is happening in Karnataka. They need to know what is happening at the ground level. They need to know why
What is
today
happening? The
Rahul
BJP
Gandhi
is
says
losing
one
in
thing,
Karnataka.
but does
That's
quite
why-
the other
that's why-
in private.
That's why only because you
The
are
NIA
losing.
no,
Only
one minute.
because you are losing.
One minute, sir.
You are
1 minute.
to digest
I
your
have
defeat.
several. I have the
And
ED,
it's
I have
going to be
Kerala
the
police,
first
I have the
to be
UAPA tribunal order. I'll come to the UAPA tribunal order. Links with banned terror outfit Simi. I'm not saying it. UAPA tribunal order has been passed.
And then
UAPA
will you remind me
tribunal
Geeta Johari-
order
Geeta
has
Johari-
been passed.
Geeta Johari submission
Let's look at
and
this.
her
Charge
observation
6.
about this
Members
event.
joined ISIS, fought in Syria. Kerala police. A police that reports to a left government, not even a BJP government. These are the hard facts. Let's look at charge 7. Money laundering, terror funding, ED investigation. These are hard facts, viewers.
Then what
hard
had happened
facts.
to these
Don't
facts?
get sucked in.
Then-
Don't get
then
sucked
what
in
had
today
happened to these
by
hard
individuals.
These hard
What do you
facts,
mean?
You say,
What do you mean?
GVM
Yes,
is
tell us.
saying these hard
Tell
facts
us.
are available.
Shehzad Poonawala
Mr.
wants to
Rahmani,
come in on
please.
this.
For just 10
8
seconds,
years,
Mr. Rahmani,
I-
Mr. Rahmani, as a fellow Muslim, I request you for just 10 seconds.
not as a fellow Muslim, rather be
No,
a
that's
fellow
the only
Indian.
thing that will appeal to
Rather
you
be
today.
as a
I think
fellow
that's the
Indian.
only thing that, please, okay, as an Indian, I appeal to you,
Yeah,
if that appeals
please.
to you. Sir, SDPI on 26th April 2018, Rahul is absolutely right. He's being put on a castigated, he's being castigated. Here's the press release of SDPI.
Press release?
Yes. And
I
it
didn't know.
says-
I was not aware of this,
may
actually.
I quote it? It was, and I've taken it out from SDPI's Facebook page only. SDPI supports all secular candidates in order to prevent BJP from coming to power. Abdul
Yes.
Hanan. Apart from that, sir, if Mr. Rahul Shivshankar is a liar, then you should just tell me this report of Deccan Chronicle published 30th April 2018, SDPI to help Congress across Karnataka, and in this report they say that the quid pro quo for withdrawing the candidates from all the seats and just keeping 3 candidates is that SDPI met the Home Minister Ramlinga Reddy and cases were withdrawn.
Is it from the
So
Cases were withdrawn.
my question
Is it
is
from the
that if
SDPI
BJP
source?
did an
This is
alliance
the
with Sanatan
newspaper's own
Sanstha, what would we
reporting.
tell them?
The first
If
is the
BJP
press
did an
release.
alliance with
Second is the
Sanatan
report of the
Sanstha, we would
newspaper.
grab the BJP.
Second
So
is
why
the
should
report
not
of the
we ask
newspaper.
questions
So
of
let me
Congress?
ask Sabha
We have
Naqvi.
always took a stand.
Let me bring in
This is
Sabha
nothing
Naqvi.
new
Let
about
me bring in
Karnataka.
Ashutosh.
This is not new
Let me
about
bring in
Karnataka.
Mr.
If BJP
Palacha.
wants to
Sabha
do
Naqvi.
alliance with
Let me bring you in.
we would
We have
castigate
to
them.
say
Let me bring you in.
We will support all the forces which can have the potential to defeat the BJP.
But you will-
and this
you
is
will-
not a
you
state.
will- you will take
this
the
is
help
an
of
open
even
and
terror
stated
outfits?
instead of
If
LTTI.
Will you
Sanatan
team
Sanstha
up with
says we will
LTT?
support BJP, what would
Will
you
you
tell
will
me?
you take
Yeah,
help of
yeah.
If Sanatan
Pakistan?
Sanstha said we
No,
will support
but you
BJP,
will
they are
to
supporting.
defeat
They are
BJP. Will you
supporting.
take help of
That's why
Pakistan?
we are not
Lashkar
supporting
Taiba,
BJP.
It's a
Hafiz
shame.
This is said
Saeed.
Hindu Bhasha
Where-
is
how
supporting
far will
BJP.
you go?
They are allied. They are contesting election in alliance.
Ask
Hindu
Candace
Bhasha
not changed. If it is not right for BJP, it is not right for Congress. Why is your stand changing? PFI is a banned terror organization. Why should it support anybody?
Very clear. We will support secular.
Okay, let me bring in Sabha Naqvi. I want to open this out. Mehmood Pasha is waiting in the wings. So is Mr. Ashutosh. There are also reactions coming in on this story, big reactions. Sabha Naqvi, I want to ask you the second question. Can a Janeudhari Rahul Gandhi be endorsing a pact with an organization like PFI, SDPI that is accused of anti-Hindu hate? Isn't it a contradiction in terms? Isn't it a contradiction in terms?
They have killed.
You have murdered people, the NIA says. Go prove your innocence in court. Don't challenge me here. Don't challenge me here. I want to bring in Sabha Naqvi. Give Sabha Naqvi a courtesy.
We have been killing, targeting Hindus. We are pro-human. We are not anti-Hindu.
Really?
And this is a wrong
Butchery, sir, in the name of religion is not humanism. Ask Mr. Joseph's family. Ask Professor Joseph's family whose hands were cut off. Ask him how human you behave.
Could you prove it? Could you prove it?
It is going on in court, sir, and you know there is an order. You know there has been an order. Do not mislead the public here. 1 minute. Let me bring in Sabha Naqvi. I want to ask you.
We are fascist, anti-communal, not
will you constantly heckle? Will you constantly heckle?
Do you think? Are you saying that you are fascist? If you are fascist, then we are against you. Certainly we are
viewers,
openly we are against you.
Why? No, 1 minute. Viewers, why am I being muzzled tonight?
You want to muscle Hindus? You
Why?
want to kill Hindus?
No.
Only in the garb of opposing BJP.
Why am I being muzzled tonight? Why aren't you allowing me to speak, sir?
But it doesn't mean that it
Rahmani
is
Saab, why
anti-Hindu.
aren't you allowing me to speak? Can you please allow me to speak?
The fascism is
You are
that
allowing
is
me,
what they are
sir,
professing
you
in the
are not
country.
allowing me to speak. Why?
Let's be
Because
very fair about this.
whatever you are saying is
Let's
not
be
correct.
very
or
fair
Really?
about
So
this.
NIA is a liar?
This is
Every
subjected to the
institution,
judicial
Kerala police is a
scrutiny.
liar?
This
Come on.
report is not the
Look
final
at the
result.
facts,
This
sir.
has to be examined
You take
in
me
the
to
court.
court. You take me to court. I have no problems. 1 minute.
The whole report will go
Sabha
to the court.
Naqvi, I want to come to you. I want to come out to you. How can a Janeudhari Rahul Gandhi be endorsing a pact with an organization like the PFI, SDPI that is accused of anti-Hindu hate? Explain to me. Isn't this a contradiction in terms?
So, Rahul, your namesake, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, this is an election. The structure of the PFI and SDPI is very similar to the structures in the way in which historically the RSS and BJP have
Come on, I think Sabha, I think it's very.
You have a master plan.
No, it's very unbecoming
Okay.
of you to compare a terror
Now,
outfit.
allow me to
They've been
finish,
killing
GVL.
dozens of cadres.
No,
There are
I will
thousands of
simplify
people.
this argument.
You are right
I
on
will
the
simplify
I
this
think it's
argument
very
for our
unbecoming
viewers.
of you.
Facing the
Has
terrorism
all
charges in various
of
courts in the
India
country.
has heard of an organization called the Lashkar-e-Toiba, headed by a man called Hafiz Saeed. He has today floated a political outfit, and he is going to be contesting elections in Pakistan. Does that mean?
Does it give him legitimacy?
Does that mean that he is legitimate now? That he is a neta and not a terrorist? Sabha Naqvi, respond. Respond. The parent organization is seen as a terror organization. Its political wing said to be a front is absorbed. Is clean. No, you need to explain to me. Sabha Naqvi, explain this contradiction. Explain. मुझे आप समझाइए। आप एक मिनट करने दीजिए सर, उनके साथ बात करने दीजिए मुझे।
Why
Let
should
me speak to
I
them.
can only analyze.
No, you need to explain the point,
I don't
the
have
logic.
to explain because I'm not supporting anyone.
Explain
Now,
the
why
logic.
should I am making a point to you, Rahul.
Do you
Be
think the
fair about
Lashkar-e-Toiba,
it. Be fair
through
about
its
everything
political
here,
wing,
and I
should be
expect
in the
that from you.
politics of Pakistan? Simple question. Does it legitimize the
think-
Lashkar-e-Toiba? Yes or no?
How do I care about the politics of Pakistan?
There you go.
What
Because
on
there's
earth
a
does that
direct
have to do
parallel
with
here.
what is happening
There
in
is a
India?
direct parallel.
What on
I'm
earth
not
does it
talking
have to
about
do
the
with what is
politics of
happening here?
Pakistan. I'm drawing a parallel in logic. This is logic.
The analogy is perfect.
I'm making another point,
This
Rahul.
analogy
I'm saying
is
you're
perfect.
talking anti-Hindu,
PFI is
anti-Hindu,
equivalent of
anti-Hindu. I'm
LET.
saying the BJP and RSS, many of their candidates are sounding, look at their Twitter feeds of people who I have met in the BJP office. All their material is anti-Muslim. Please note that Muslims are the minority in India. They are more vulnerable. You are going on
Sabha
anti-Hindu,
Naqvi, you're unable
anti-Hindu.
to really
I
make
would insist
draw the
that.
distinction. We are talking
any
about
society,
we are talking
any
about a
society
radical
which does
terrorist
not look
outfit.
after its minorities.
What is RSS?
No, for you and Rahul Gandhi, I know
It's
you
a-
are, you
it's
make
highly
good,
radical,
you make good
hardcore
allies.
fascist
No,
organization
you
believing
PFI,
in the
SDPI and
Hitler
Rahul,
Marxism.
you make perfect bedfellows because you are all sympathizers of LET. You are all sympathizers of Hafiz Saeed. I think you make great friends. I think we have no problem.
Let me
with
bring
that.
you in.
Please,
Mr.
only
Ashutosh,
exposed one
let me
thing.
bring you in.
Strong
I'm
objection.
quoting out of, in
I
their
make
majority
strong
view, 3rd
objection.
January 2017, the
Do
Chief
not-
Justice of India,
do
T.S.
not try
Thakur,
to do
Justices
this
Madan B.
communal
Lokur,
airbrushing
S.A.
of
Bodbe,
people.
and L. Nageshwar
Do
Rao.
not try to do
Listen to
communal
this.
airbrushing of
Listen to
all
what
of
they
us.
said.
I take
An appeal in the
strong
name of
objection to
religion,
your
race, caste,
DVL.
community or language is
I know you for many
impermissible
years.
under
I
the
take strong
RPA
objection to
1951
airbrush everyone who
and would
opposes your
constitute a
point of view.
corrupt practice
I support
sufficient to
the
annul the
side.
election in which such an appeal was made, regardless whether the appeal was in the name of the candidate's religion or the religion of the election agent or that of the opponent or that of the voters. This is what the law says. I'm asking you, in those constituencies today where there is this tie-up happening, should the polling not be annulled? I'm asking you, Ashutosh.
My first question is,
Mishra.
No, you didn't let me speak earlier. So, Mr. Narasimha Rao right now told us that PDI is equivalent to LET. PFI is equivalent to LET. Let's for a moment accept.
Not
that's the
for a
truth.
moment. It has
Yeah.
been acknowledged.
It has been
acknowledged in a
been
court
acknowledged. No,
by a
why
Congress
did the
government.
BJP
It
tie
has
up
been
with
acknowledged in
PFI
court. There is a
Gram
submission.
Not by
Panchayat
There is a
elections?
submission
It
by
is
a Congress
not
Why
government.
did the
by law.
Congress
BJP
state
tie
government
up
has made
You
the
are
submission
you
in
are
the High
not
Court.
supported by law.
It has happened. I will bring back Mr. Nikunj Garg.
This
He
is
will
your
explain to you.
personal
Let's bring
imagination.
Nikunj Garg back.
Hallucinations.
Viewers,
You
what
are
are we
living in
discussing?
your
Give me
own
30
heaven.
Tie up
seconds.
with
Give me
Sivana.
silence. I'm going to lower everyone's faders. For the purposes of viewers just joining us, this is a massive news break, viewers. A massive news break that could incur the wrath of the Election Commission of India, because what we have established today is ultra virus of the poll code. There is a section of the poll code. The section of the poll code says that you cannot have an affiliation or a call to the voter based on religion. Therefore, we took great care before we brought out the facts. On my left and on my right is physical evidence. Let's go back to that physical evidence. Evidence 1, evidence 2. What do we see? We see Congress candidates sharing a platform with the SDPI. The SDPI is the face of the Popular Front of India. The Popular Front of India is an organization, I'm not saying it, but the NIA says it, which is dedicated to several anti-national, subversive, terror-related activities. And it is being investigated. Excuse me, sir, it is being investigated. Sir, don't heckle me. Don't heckle me, sir. I'm explaining to my viewers. PFI is charged with those crimes. The NIA report that I have in my hand is charged with those crimes. Charged with those crimes, banned in one particular state. Its front. I'm not saying it. Don't heckle me. Don't heckle me. Dr. Rahmani, don't heckle me. Don't heckle me. Today the Congress is tying up. Today the Congress is tying up with its front. A front which the NIA has dismissed. Has dismissed. Now let me tell you. Let me tell you, viewers, this is what Rahul Gandhi says morning and evening on the campaign in Karnataka, that I stand, the Congress stands for unity, not for hate. Listen to these sound bites, and I want to go across to Nikunj right after that to address the basic points that have been brought up by certain panelists here. First, listen to these sound bites of Rahul Gandhi, who professes one thing, but behind closed doors, his candidates do quite another. Watch this.
विचारधारा की लड़ाई है। एक तरफ नफरत, एक तरफ भाईचारा, एक तरफ समाज को बांटने का काम, दूसरी तरफ समाज को जोड़ने का काम। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने आपको जोड़ने का काम किया है। प्यार से हम काम करते हैं, नफरत नहीं फैलाते हैं।
यही कांग्रेस पार्टी में विचारधारा है कि ये देश सबका है, प्रदेश सबके हैं, शहर सबके हैं और हम सबको मिलकर प्यार से एक साथ आगे बढ़ना है, किसी को पीछे नहीं छोड़ना है।
There you go. He says one thing, does quite another. Mahmood Paracha. Mahmood Paracha, I want to ask you.
I haven't got the answer. I asked the question. Why did the BJP tie up with PFI for the Savanur Gram Panchayat election?
Absolute rubbish. We don't tie up with terror outfits like your friends
Can you
in the
prove
Congress
it?
do it.
Can you prove it?
Absolute rubbish.
I don't have, I
the
don't have the same.
Can you prove it? Can you prove it?
Absolute
Ashutosh
rubbish.
Mishra, show me. Can you prove
Yeah,
it?
yeah. You should
One
prove
news
the
report. Show me.
allegation. Prove
You
it.
might get sued for slander.
No,
I'm telling you,
absolute
it might
rubbish.
happen to you.
No, no.
Be careful.
You're lying.
Prove it. No, you prove it,
you're
sir.
lying.
You
Let
prove
him
it.
say it all hasn't been done.
Absolute rubbish.
prove it, no?
I'm
Prove
calling
it.
it rubbish.
Prove it.
Just-
You're making
just
a very
having
serious charge,
photographs,
sir.
And what you are saying?
Have you not
that
seen the
just-
press release, the news reports?
That you
Sir,
have
who
just-
created Bindranwale? Who created Bindranwale?
Why are you going to Bindranwale?
Who created
And who finished
This is a new
Bindranwale?
Bindranwale.
Who finished
These
Bindranwale?
are new
Who finished
Bindranwales.
Bindranwale?
You want
It
India
was
to be
Mrs.
divided for
Gandhi,
one election?
Congress. Who-
As a Muslim, I do not endorse this. They should find good Muslims
We should be
who are
Indians,
educated.
not Hindus
What are these
and
bunch of
Muslims. We
what
should
are these
be
bunch of
Indians,
people
not
who want to
Hindus
divide
and
India?
Muslims.
Do they believe in the Constitution?
You
Is the Constitution first?
Mr. Mishra must give. You cannot lie.
subscribe to this.
Mr. Mishra, you
We don't
lied.
Bindranwale.
No, you made an allegation. You lied. You apologize now, or you produce the evidence. We don't have
think
any
it is-
truck with any anti-national organization.
prove your
That's
claim.
what your party does. That's what your
I
the
don't have a
party.
party.
No,
I'm a
you
voter
are an
like you.
apologist for Rahul
Unlike
Gandhi
you.
or Congress
Yeah.
party. You are an apologist.
You need to
Whenever-
prove the point.
apologize for your
whenever
bloody.
there is-
You
whenever
apologize
there
for
is
your.
a news report.
You
Where's
can't
the
get
proof?
away lying.
Where's the proof?
You can't get away
you
lying.
You trust and
Show us, sir. Show us the news report.
cannot get away
Show us the
lying.
news report, sir. Very serious charge has been made today by Ashutosh Mishra against the BJP.
You are lying. You cannot get away. If you are a journalist, I think you must be ashamed. You can't, as a journalist, you can't bluff. You can't bluff and get
No,
away.
I'm not bluffing.
You are
It's a
bluffing.
News report.
You
I
are
don't have
bluffing.
the evidence right now. Like,
You are
You
bluffing.
prove your claim. Prove your claim. Like I
You are
showed a
lying.
report. You show the report.
Yeah, we are showing. Whatever I said, it's there on the internet.
This is Cambridge
It's the
Analytica
media.
style of lies.
You
Cambridge
can't
Analytica style.
lie and get away like Rahul Gandhi. If you are a journalist,
You
I
are
think
afraid
maintain
of
some
Rahul Gandhi because
sanctity.
Rahul Gandhi has said that he's going prime
May
minister
have
will
some
is
someday.
dividing India.
That's
If
why
you call
it is
yourself a journalist, have some
you
shame.
are, this
Don't
whole
make-
debate.
don't make
you
such
are saying
absurd-
anti-Hindu, anti-Hindu.
don't
You
make
are
such
saying
absurd
Reactions coming in
Dude.
on this story. Reactions coming in, viewers. 1 minute, Dr. Emani, before I go across to Mr. Mahmood Paracha. Reactions coming in. I believe some political parties have begun to react. The Congress is reacting. Let's play out this. The Congress is reacting, the BJP is reacting. All political parties are now beginning to jump on this story even as we speak. It's getting bigger. There has been a huge, I'm being told, ripple impact across the spectrum today. People in Karnataka are watching this. Let's play out some of these reactions.
Any individual or any political party can take some decisions. We can't stop them. But ultimately, the voters have to decide. Political parties in SDPI, some have been contested. We want them to take a unified stand and they want it to be on a proper secular outlook. Breaking a secular outlook, it is damaging the prospects of any political party.
Well, there you hear it. A minister today not denying. Very, very important, very significant. Confronted with the facts, confronted with the photographs, he doesn't deny. Minister in the Congress Karnataka government doesn't deny. He says, what is wrong? What is wrong? If we want to unite the secular vote, what is secular about individuals who want to hunt down Hindus? I want to ask you, Mahmood Paracha, explain to me. Explain to me.
Thank you. Rahul Saab. Finally, thank you very much, Rahul Saab.
Explain to me, sir.
I, with your permission and the permission of your esteem, with your permission, I don't want to give an opinion of mine today. I just want to read.
Okay, read.
From the websites of 3 organizations, aims and objects. First, the RSS. First, the
Your
RSS.
fixation with the RSS,
RSS's aims and objects, the
never
front
get
page
over.
of its website says, strength, it should be remembered, comes only through organization. It is therefore duty of every Hindu to do his best to consolidate the Hindu society. The Sangh is carrying out this supreme task. Now, I would, for your information and your viewers' information, read out Popular Fronts of India's aims and objects. To promote national integration.
NIA has to say.
Communal amity.
Forget about what.
Does the RSS say we are going to murder people? No, to further our objections and objectives.
See, you can't.
बोलिए sir, PFI के मारे वो बताइए, कोई बात नहीं. Tell us.
Your opinion.
Tell us.
Your opinion I trust more than NIA's opinion. So today your entire story is based on NIA's opinion, which is far lower than yours. So your opinion I would trust more than NIA. That is a given.
Do you know what is written on the first page of the Jamaat Dawa? It describes itself as a socio-cultural organization. Will you believe it?
Bajrang Dal's
Will you believe it, sir? Will you believe it? A socio-cultural organization is Jamaat Dawa that is represented by the biggest butcher in this world. And his name is Hafiz Saeed, wanted by the Americans, wanted by the Europeans, wanted by the English, wanted by India, murderer. Wanted by Israel, murderer,
which will depend
terrorist.
on
He
the
says,
findings of the court.
I belong to a social culture organization.
See, these are your opinions.
Do you believe them?
These are your.
Do you believe them, sir, or do you believe their actions?
Preliminary objection of a caged parrot called NIA.
Caged parrot called NIA. Karnataka police.
You seem to have
UPA
very convenient memory.
Congress, all
For
caged.
you,
Come,
no, you
I
loved
don't want to
NIA.
give my opinion.
You loved NIA
I want to
when the
today
term
only read.
Hindu terror was used. When those cases were being investigated, you loved NIA. You can't have such convenient
Bajrang
No, you had great respect for NIA.
A brave police officer.
You had great respect for NIA. When the term Hindu terror was being promoted,
you get him killed.
Hindu terror was used by Rahul Gandhi in LET when he said to WikiLeaks through the WikiLeaks cable that Hindu terrorists are more dangerous than LET. That's when I said that's where Hindu terror came from. Your alliance is so strong.
I'm asking you, is Mumbai, is 2611, I'm asking you, Mr. Rahmani, who has, no, is 2611 a Pakistani plot?
Government of India.
No, I'm asking you, do you believe is 2611 a Pakistani plot? Are you blaming India?
By the IB.
I'm asking you, do you believe Digvijay said?
Okay, this is a Deccan Chronicle article which quotes the Karnataka Home Minister.
Oh, come on, liar. Another
And
liar.
he says,
one liar quoting another.
Let's listen to what he's saying.
In a Gram Panchayat called Savanur, the BJP and PFI joined hands to capture power and keep the Congress at bay. He recalled, claiming when murders take place, they point fingers at each other but join hands over certain issues.
Tomorrow the BJP will say,
you're quoting
a congressman.
What are you doing?
I was quoting a report, I was quoting press release of
Rahul Gandhi says that Rahul Gandhi says that RSS is a terror organization. You believe it? You tell me. Ashutosh Mishra is no. If Rahul Gandhi calls, can I say something to you? If Rahul Gandhi calls the Prime Minister of India and the BJP President a murderer, which he has, can I ask you, does that make them a murderer?
And can I ask you?
Can I ask you? Answer my question. You answer my question, sir. Answer my question. Answer my question. Just because Rahul Gandhi believes X and Y are terrorists, do you know Rahul Gandhi made a charge against the RSS and he has gone to court and he is losing that particular case? It's a matter in court. He's in a great deal of trouble in that case because he is being asked. He is being asked to prove his claim. Sabha Naqvi, isn't it a fact? Rahul Gandhi associated the RSS, slandered its image allegedly, now faces a losing battle in court. Is it not a fact?
Yes, he does.
There you go.
It's a known fact that he is facing a serious case. We all know that. But Rahul, now to this Rahul, may I ask, if you may tolerate me for a minute, I want to ask you a very, very simple question. And I'm a liberal, extreme liberal. I hardly have any space for religious organizations in my personal choices. But the way India has shaped up, what do you think the Bajrang Dal does? What do you think the Hindu Munani does? What do you think the Ram Sene does? Who do you think they're voting for? What do you think they're doing on the ground in Karnataka? Do you think they're spreading peace and communal amity? I want to ask you that simple question.
Can I respond to you if you allow me my 1 minute?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, please.
If there are charges against these organizations, book them, set the NIA after them, complain about them. The Congress has been in power in Karnataka, sir. I said, with your permission, one minute. Allow me, sir, 1 minute. Allow me 1 minute. Allow me 1 minute. Go to court, prove your charge.
Case in Akhlaq case.
Sir,
in so many cases in Rajasthan.
Sir, can you allow me? Can you allow me?
Your beloved home.
Can you allow me, sir? Can you allow me? The same courts are okay when they release Muslims, sir, for you. The same judiciary is exemplary when it does those acts, but the same judiciary vilified when they leave out Hindus
it's not about judiciary.
who have been, sir, accused of false crimes. Don't do this. Don't do this, sir.
No,
please.
sir,
You've already divided India enough. You belong to an organization that specializes in targeting a particular community because they happen to be part of that community. 1 minute. Let me answer Sabha Naqvi. She never asked me to answer you. I need to answer
But
her.
I'm
Can
supporting
I
her question
answer?
to you.
You can come
I'm
after
supporting
that.
her question to you.
He's constantly heckling like a verbal
Sir,
stone
what heckling?
pelter.
You are from the
there is
PFI
a
today.
plethora of
I
lines that I have
understand
to-
the
I have
vested
to
interest. The vested interest you have
What
in trying
vested
to gag
interest I
me.
have?
You
I'm
don't
not
want the
my
truth
party
out.
with
You
whom
don't
you are
want the
blaming.
viewers to make an informed choice in 48 hours, 72 hours. I can understand that, sir. It's hurting you. It's stinging you.
It's
It's
hurting you
biting
because you are
I
losing.
understand this, but don't stand
losing.
between me and the viewer. The viewer will
48
decide.
you want
The
to
viewer will
utilize these
decide.
48 hours
I'm going
to
back
throw
to
the
Sabha
media
Naqvi.
groups.
Can you give me 30 seconds? 30
Very-
seconds. Count on your fingertips. Do some yoga. You'll probably understand. Just 30
even
seconds.
without yoga,
30
I
seconds.
can
1 minute.
understand. I
30
don't need
seconds.
any
Do
advice
some
on
yoga,
yoga,
sir. Do the
etc.
Surya Namaskar. Give me 30 seconds.
Then
1
you-
minute.
you do it.
Sabha
Why do I
Naqvi,
do? I
let me
have
come
just
to you.
performed namaz
Let
and
me
came
come
over
to you,
here.
sir. Let me come to you, Sabha Naqvi. If there is a problem, investigate these organizations, prosecute their cadre, ban them, do what you have. The Congress has been in power for 5 years. Who did they free? They didn't free Bajrang Dal. They freed PFI. PFI activists by the hundreds. I hope I've answered you. I hope I've answered you. Because the charges against the
what they did to
PFI are
the
not by
Bajrang Dal?
Rahul Shivshankar, they are by
What
the
the
NIA,
Karnataka
they are by the
government did to Bajrang
Kerala
Dal?
police.
They were
In
keep
Jharkhand,
killing-
they are by the
killing
state
the-
administration
so many
organization and they have been
activists in
seconded
Karnataka.
by the center in various other
The
states.
Bajrang Dal people
In
have killed
various
so
other
many
states.
and so many-
Excuse
so
me, there are
many
investigations
Amit
going
Shah
on.
in the
The
last 4
enforcement
years.
directorate
Amit
is
Shah
now
and
looking into
Narendra
their
Modi.
financing because there is a fear that the finances come from some other country to spread and sow the seeds of hatred in our society. Sabha Naqvi, your response.
And now, okay. Thank you for your answer. Now I have something to say to GVL. GVL, don't ever dare to call me because I have a legitimate criticism or apologist for Hafiz Syed. Don't airbrush any of us like that. I take strong objection
I
to
never
that. You
told
are an
you
old
this.
friend of mine. Please don't do that.
No. I wanted
You
you
said
to
that
be.
you are all
I wanted you
apologists
to
of
be
Hafiz Syed.
dispassionate. I certainly wanted you to be dispassionate, and don't really speak for a political party. I will value. I think irrespective of our religious denomination, we all can be objective. I think people expect us to be objective analysts, particularly you, because I belong to a political party.
And
I think you can make
Let's not get into these personal battles. We are still on the big story. What has been exposed on India up front at 8 o'clock this evening will set the news agenda, will be taken up, will be resonating on the ground. Already I can tell you, and I'm reading the line at the bottom of the screen. I believe Navika Kumar is going to be breaking the reaction of the BJP President Amit Shah on this news break. So, this is going to become an escalating news story which will dominate perhaps the conversation over the next 48 hours. And let me tell you, viewers, we have photographic evidence, undeniable evidence of a Congress MLA and a former MLA who is looking to recontest, to rejoin the battle, to go back into the Vidhan Sabha, sharing a platform, addressing cadre of an organization that is being investigated today for terror, and its ally that is known and designated front of the PFI, the SDPI. Rahul Gandhi tells us on a daily basis that his Congress party doesn't stand for the politics of hate, wants to unite Indians. Why are his MLA and his former MLA seeking a poll pact with these instrumentalities of hate? I'm not saying it allegedly. Once again, let me tell you, it's the NIA, the Kerala police, other investigative agencies that are saying it. So I'm distancing myself from these claims. These claims have been made, recorded, they're in court. And I would expect the Congress party to not jump to making friends with people who are tainted, if they really have the interests of Indian society at heart. 48 hours for you viewers to decide which side of the divide do you want to be on. Do you even want to see a divide? Navika Kumar, coming up. More developments on this news story. Stay with us. Don't go away.